Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to create our Azure DevOps pipeline. Okay, in previous section you can able to see how we can able to connect with the GitHub into the Azure DevOps, and also how we can able to commit everything I showed into the last video session. And in this video session we'll create for pipeline. Okay, for this I'm going to here, and this is my uh, first demo project, and inside the first demo project I have configured my master repo from here. I imported for my GitHub into this one currency exchange microservices. Okay, now I'm going to create four pipelines. Okay, for the pipelines I'm going to click on pipelines. Once I click the pipelines, you can able to see if you mouse over into the pipelines also, or else you can able to see here create new pipelines. Okay, and create new pipeline. Once you click the new pipeline, where you want to get this from, Azure repo git YAML file, or GitHub YAML file, and GitHub Enterprise Service, and Git bucket cloud YAML file. Which one you want to take it up? And I'm going to use for GitHub YAML file. And once I will click it, this one, it will ask you for here, or else we can able to choose for, because we have already added, right? And you can see YAML file from here. Which one? Demo first project. From here, which one you want to use? See, I use for Azure because I have already added for demo project, right? Demo first project there I have used. That's why I'm going to take this one, and you can able to see it will ask you for some couple of options. Docker and Docker push image you want, and deploy in the Azure Kubernetes services or startup pipeline, existing Azure pipeline YAML file. I'm going to take for starter pipeline. Okay, once you use the starter pipeline, it will give you for some set of information here. Okay, and this particular place I'm going to use for, this is the one. Okay, and you can able to use for same, or you can able to change the name also. You can click that particular one, you can able to take, you can provide for any name of this. Okay, now I'm going to take for Azure underscore first first underscore pipeline. Okay, this is my YAML file. Okay, I have done this one, and you can don't worry about it or what exactly it is there. We can able to see, and next also. Okay, save and run, and here it will ask you for commit also. Okay, this will commit into the master branch which we are coming added, right, in the repos. For that particular repos, it will provide you for this information. Commit messages, this one it is provide. If you want any providing any information, you can able to provide. And here commit directly to the master branch and create a new branch from this account. If you want to create new, you can able to use the new branch from this, and you can commit, or else you can go for directly commit to the master branch. I am the only one person is presented, that's why I'm going to just for save and run. Save and run. Now it is creating the pipeline. Now you can see the pipeline is got created, and also it is here you can able to see, and it is provided for queued also. Okay, and this is my repo where the first demo it is presented in the master repo, and just now we committed and get starting here. Okay, if it is committed for the two, view for two changes, this adding new file, that is mine, and this is the particular one. Okay, and if you make this one, and the queue got failed because of no hosted parallelization has been purchased or granted. To request a free parallel granted, please fill out the following. If you want to free, then it will ask you for something to fill up, and if you fill, then it will allow you to do for all the things. This you can click for this particular one, you can follow the steps, and you can able to free. If you have purchased the license, you can provide. This is a parallelization, a parallel execution system. This required you to submit some request to the Microsoft. They will provide you. To do that, I'm not till the date I'm not done for this one. That's why you can able to see this option. Otherwise, if someone sees, right, this particular option is older videos. By default, in this particular user settings location, it is coming. Recently, they modified this particular options. Okay. We'll see in the next video session. You can click for here and you can follow the steps. Okay. Fill the data and submit the request. They will provide you for this parallel edge. Okay. Next video session, we'll see for a couple of things. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.